What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you by far the best app for transferring money or funds from EU to India. So the app that we're talking about is Wise. Now Wise has the lowest fees of any other money transfer app at the moment, and it's one that I personally use. So if you guys also want to use Wise, I will leave a link in the description below, and if you use that link to create your Wise account, you will be charged zero fees for the first $1,000 that you transfer with Wise. So let's go ahead and take a look how would you transfer some money from EU to India with Wise. So once you open up your Wise app, you don't have to put any money to Wise because we can actually use our bank account or our debit card. So to make a payment to an Indian bank account or an Indian user that uses Wise, we would need to go to the payment section right here. From the payment section, go ahead and select the send option right here. Now just go ahead and tap add a recipient. And here we would need to select the currency that our recipient would be getting. So the person in India that you're sending money to. So if they have an Indian bank account, we can select Indian rupee right here. But you can also send them US dollars and any other currency that Wise supports. But for this example, let's go ahead and select Indian rupee. Now on this screen, you would need to select which one of these your recipient has. So you can send them money if they have a Wise account, but if they don't have a Wise account, you can send them money directly to their bank account in India. So we can select bank details. Then I will just select someone else, and here you can input the person's bank details to which you will be sending money to. So you can send, let's say, euros, and then it will be automatically converted to Indian rupees and deposited to that person's bank account. So they only need to give you their IFSC code and their account number. From there you can input their info here and send them money from Europe to India. So essentially, that's guys how you can send money from EU to India using Wise. Again, if you use the link from the description, you will be charged no fees for your first $1,000 that you send. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.